Oh, it's on. Okay. So, hello, YouTube. I am going to make a video today. Night. It's like 10 o'clock already. From my nan's house. And just about to make a video. Don't make fun of my hair because I'm nervous. Because I didn't get my set. Like, whatever I'm talking about. Show temples in the morning. So, don't pay attention to hair. Just pay attention to the face and my bangs and stay. Okay, that's cool. So, I'm gonna sing Adele's Turning Tables, and I hope you guys like it. If you don't, I really don't care. Don't care. It's not rude. I just don't care. So, here I go. Stop and make that number. Okay. Close enough to start a war. All that I had was on the floor. And God only knows what we're fighting for. All that I say, you always say more. I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't breathe, and I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't let you. You just accept me. I can't give you what you gave me. It's time to say goodbye to turn tables.